In this video, I will guide you through the process of working with your resource plan in ProjectFlow 365. Currently, you are on the Project WingX 100's overview page. To begin working with the resource plan, simply click on Resource Plan. Here you get an overview of the project's resource plan. You can see the participant's role, who they are assigned to, and the estimated number of hours allocated to the participant. Your current view displays the time allocation divided into months, but would you like to see the allocation of hours distributed in weeks? So you click here. Here you select week, but as you can see, you can also choose to view it divided by day, quarter, and year. Now you would like to narrow down the view of the resource plan to get a subset of data for the period you're currently working with. Then the start date from February the 16th to March the 16th and the end date to April the 1st. Additionally, you would like to switch back to the monthly view, so you click here and select month. This narrowing down of the data interval can be important as it improves response time. Now you have narrowed down the view of the resources for the period you are currently working with. In the resource plan, you can see some red numbers, like here. The red numbers are a warning, indicating that the demand exceeds the capacity. So you click here and select capacity, demand, and availability. Here is an overview of the distribution between capacity, demand, and available hours. By clicking here, you can see which projects and how many hours the participant has been allocated. To make changes to the allocation in other projects, you need to contact the responsible project manager or department manager. To add a new participant, select plus new. First, you'll need to fill in the function or job title. In this example, a participant needs to be added for operating system programming, so you enter operating system programming. If you already know who should be assigned the role, you can fill it in right here. However, in this example, the participant to be assigned the role is based on their skills. Therefore, fill in the required skill, Cloud Specialist, here. For the role, select Project Participant. In this description field, you can elaborate on the need for skills. The dates are automatically retrieved from the project start and end times. So you adjust the start date to the current date. The participant needs to work on the project for 60 hours, so you enter 60 hours. When you are done, click on Save and Close. The new participant is now on the list, and you need to find the user to whom the role should be assigned. Therefore, click on the menu here. Now you have a list of all the users who have the desired required competence. You would like to add Anders Brunholm to the project, so you click on Assign. Now you can fill in how many hours the participant should be allocated. Start by clicking here and select Capacity, Demand and Availability. Here you see that the participant has enough capacity and available time. So you allocate 20 hours for the month of March and 40 hours for the month of April. When you're done, click on Save. When you allocate hours on the annual, monthly, or weekly basis, the hours are always distributed and saved on a daily level for the participants' working days. If you enter 100 hours per month in monthly view for a month with 20 working days, it will correspond to 5 hours per day unless the participant has vacation days in the month and there are no public holidays in the month. Now you would like to see the allocation of your own hours, which you can do by clicking here and select My Hours. Now you can see how many of your hours that are allocated to the different projects in which you have a role. Thank you for watching.